Hey Norm, just a task for you to work on in the next day or two. So for Cohen and Handler, I've just cloned the previous landing page that we were working on. So this one is just, I think it's called 5 questions checklist. So for this one, can we please add in, we're going to duplicate this, our free report funnel. So can you add in a landing page in before that, or change this landing page to be framed up around, download your free something today. So it's going to be a free checklist. So it's going to be 5 questions checklist. I'll put this into a teamwork task as well, but can you make the first page look similar to this, but just taking these same colors and same images, same logo, background images, that sort of thing. Just keep it all same as the design as the current Cohen Handler landing page, but turn that first page, or just create a new landing page and turn it into like a free checklist or a free downloadable guide. So I can probably stay similar to this, but just change that around. And then page 2 will go into similar to what we've got. It'll go into a session page, which will be more framed like this. So you can pretty much just copy the lookout, or the same flow as this funnel here, but just keep the colors and keep it all consistent. So you can probably leave this section it's featured on. Probably change this bit to have the free checklist image, and then the headline, it's like the 5 questions to ask a property manager. And then you can probably get rid of all this and just keep it maybe down to this section here. Just keep taking elements that we've got from our checklist. And then on page 2 can look more like this one, but it'll be more framed around this. So are you looking for a property manager to speak to us today around, blah, 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 blah. So can you just work on that, adding an extra page into this funnel? So a landing page with the free checklist that then goes into an upsell, into a call, similar to what we've done with our one. Cool. Thanks, mate. If you could work on that and just try and get something done for tomorrow for me, that'd be great. So